Mahatma Gandhi has rightly said, Earth can satisfy man's need, but Earth can never satisfy man's greed. Hello, Earthlings. I wish you all a very happy Earth Day 2021. So, children and my dear friends, my dear earthlings, right now I'm talking to everyone that today is Happy Earth Day, but I feel strongly that every day should be Earth Day, right? So, let us celebrate the Earth Day and remember the date, it's always 22nd April, but it should always, like every day, should be Earth Day. So we call it Mother Earth, and it's a blue lady in the vastness of the universe. This is the only blue lady so far known, and she's our mother, Mother Earth Day. So we are celebrating that today. But unfortunately, now, children, unfortunately, this year we are celebrating Earth Day like this, especially in our country, India. The situation is really, really bad, right? I hope you all agree with me. And the reason is nobody else but us. We are responsible for everything. We have become so greedy. We consider ourselves as the smartest people on this earth, smartest earthlings, but the earth does not belong to only us, है ना? See, there are so many things we need to protect it, and Earth Day, all these posters are there for you. It's a beautiful planet. It's a green blue planet, and look at this picture. We should not. We can be of any caste, creed, religion, but our mother, our blue mother, is only one, and we need to protect her, isn't it? So, yes, Mother Earth is a living organism too. Love, honor, and respect her. We really have to do that. But we think that we rule Mother Earth, and Mother Earth has just shown us back that she's the mother. She rules us, isn't it? Yeah. So, okay, yeah. This is very important message. And only when the last tree has died, and the last river been poisoned, and the last fish been caught, will we realize we cannot eat money? Are we waiting for that day to come? I guess no. We have to realize, I mean, the present situation, the given situation should be an eye opener for all of us, for all the big leaders, for all the big economies, for all the people who can make change, and even to the smallest of the child who can think, right? We all have to be in this together, and we don't have to wait for this time to come. This is the 51st year actually when the world is celebrating the Earth Day. Why do we have to celebrate it and have a particular day to celebrate it? No, we should take care of it every day. Our action should be such. Yes, this line is very important. The earth does not belong to man, man belongs to the earth, है ना? मतलब कि अर्थ हमको बिलोंग नहीं करती है, हम अर्थ को बिलोंग करते हैं. वी आर जस्ट अ मिनिस्कल पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ. देर आर lakhs and lakhs of species of animals, birds, insects, plants, trees, bacteria, microbes. Earth belong to each and every one of them. They all are earth dwellers, they all are earthlings, and the Mother Earth belongs to all of them, and we should never forget it. So, okay, now what can we do? The first thing that we can do is save energy. We should use sustainable resources. आप लोग को जहाँ पर भी आप पढ़ते हो और द ग्रोन अप्स यू हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्सेज, रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी like solar energy, like wind energy, है ना, we hydropower, we need to tap them. We don't have to keep on burning, you know, they are pollution free, but if we go for fossil fuels it creates a lot of pollution, isn't it? So we have to save energy. What else? Now children, this is the biggest thing, say no to plastic. We really have to work on this. I think for all the subjects, for all, like all the parents, all the institutions, all the offices, everyone needs to focus on this very particular thought, say no to plastic. I'll just give you a very small example. These days we get milk in milk packets, है ना? So we just cut one small bit of the packet to take out the milk. Okay, you have a proper waste disposal unit, और आपकी कॉलोनी में, आपके सिटी में, तो वो जो बड़ा वाला प्लास्टिक था वो तो रिसाइकिल होने चला गया. What about that small piece? Yes, I'm sure you all are realizing it. That small piece of plastic, that one end आपने काटा था मिल्क को pour out करने के लिए, what about that? That plastic is going in the layers of the earth. That plastic is going into the rivers and other water bodies, and it is rightly said, we have loaded Mother Earth with plastic, and that is why we are wearing the plastic these days. Yes, my dear students and everyone, I'm talking about PPE kits. If we have to keep ourselves safe, we have to wear the plastic shields, we have to wear the PPE kits. Can you realize Newton's third law or karma? In Bhagavad Gita also, Lord Krishna has said that what goes round comes round. So हम लोगों ने इतना ज़्यादा प्लास्टिक से लाद दिया मदर अर्थ को that, you know, we have to wear plastics to keep ourselves safe. Very important thought, children, please pay attention. What can we do? Okay, आप जो दूध का पैकेट है या कोई भी पैकेट आप काट रहे हैं, वो आप ऐसे काटिए कि वो एंड उसमें अटैच्ड रहे, right? And then only at least both the pieces of the plastic will be together, and if we should dispose them off properly. Proper waste disposal should be there, so that, you know, they can be recycled or whatever, right? So just say no to plastic bag. Yes, why can't you, your parents, or you can bring a textile bag, a cloth bag, or a jute bag? You should, है ना? So look at the sorrow picture, and this is the picture of us. आप भूल गए कि आज से around like 15 months back, the life was so beautiful. You were coming to school, we were going out for to the markets, to the malls, to the parks, you know, we were free. We are now so scared to leave the house, isn't it? So we are responsible. We really need to do introspect, say no to plastic bags, bring your own textile bags. Very important. We all have to do it, right? Then, okay, go green. In your mind, whatever you are doing, you should think about going green. Every step, your every work should be in favor of Mother Earth, है ना? Do not pollute. आजकल आप देखिए, there is no vehicles, no entertainment activities. You know, the earth itself is, you know, depolluting. अपने आप ही सुधर रही है. Ozone layer depletion is stopped. In fact, all the layers are repairing themselves so fast. The rivers are becoming clean. The ocean is becoming clean. सब autonomous हो गया है, अपने आप automatic चल रहा है ना? क्यों? Because man is not polluting. Man is scared. Man is hiding inside the houses to save its life. ये सिचुएशन हमारी खुद की लाई हुई है ना? तो वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. आवर एक्शन शुड बी save energy, use LED lights, do all such activities which are pro earth, है ना, जो कि फेवर में है, एटमॉस्फेयर के फेवर में है. नाउ दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चिल्ड्रन. Very recently, Uttarakhand again suffered a glacier breakage. Lots and lots of lives were lost. वो किसी न किसी के अपने थे, है ना. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ रही है, ग्लेशियर्स आर मेल्टिंग, ब्रेकिंग. सो हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल? वी, है ना. यूज साइकिल्स फॉर शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस, यूज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हेन द थिंग्स विल बी नॉर्मल. अभी तो आप घर के अंदर ही बंद रहो, कीप योर सेल्फ सेफ. बट व्हेन द थिंग्स आर नॉर्मल, देन प्लीज़ रिड्यूस द कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स. आपकी एक्टिविटीज़ ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि द कार्बन फुटप्रिंट शुड बी रिड्यूस्ड, राइट. नाउ व्हेन आई एम सेइंग कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, मतलब देखो वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जिसमें कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का एमिशन होता है ना, उससे क्या होता है, हमारे कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स बढ़ते जाते हैं. तो हमें ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करनी है कि हमारे कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स कम से कम हो. लेस फ्यूल वेस्टेज, है ना, लेस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्टेज, लेस गैस वेस्टेज, है ना. Or all these things are there. Recycling we should do, proper waste disposal should be there, right? So earth belongs to them. और हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं बेटा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का एमिशन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए. और व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन प्लांट मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज. नाउ टुडे इट्स वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे. आप अभी भी दिन ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, और आप चाहे आज करिए चाहे आप कल करिए, यू कैन डू इट टुमारो ऑल्सो. सो डू प्लांट समथिंग टुडे. टेक माई वर्ड, प्लीज़ प्लांट समथिंग टुडे. इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी, है ना. इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी टू रिड्यूस द अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. कैसे करेंगे? यू ऑल नो अबाउट फोटोसिंथेसिस. The more plants we plant, they will use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, and definitely the carbon dioxide will be utilized, more of oxygen will be there in the air, all good for us. So do promise, make certain rules for you, how you are going to utilize today. Make certain rules for yourself. Do plant something, है ना. Please do any such activity and do let me know. You can always write in the comment section, right? So we have to do a lot to reduce carbon footprints. And yes, earth, please leave that thought that earth belongs to us only. Earth belongs to all the lakhs and lakhs of species of plants, animals, insects, birds, everybody, है ना. We are not the owners of the earth. We are just the children of Mother Earth, ठीक है. So we should be kind towards the animals, है ना. It takes nothing away from a human to be kind to an animal. It feels very good, you know. And small kids are the best example. They will never let you hurt any animal. Try that. Even as a joke, as a thing, you don't harm the animal actually, but just see that small kids will have a very protective feeling towards these animals and feed them. Dekho, look at this, stray animals, poor thing, they're not getting food. You have good food on your plate. Why can't you give a little to them, है ना. So he who feeds a hungry animal feeds his own soul. You feel good. You feel good. And it was said by Charlie Chaplin. And he was a great man, great comedian, but moreover, he was a great man. So it feels good. You try doing it, you definitely will feel good, right, children? So they are also earthlings, they also belong to this planet, and it is our duty to keep our blue beauty, the mother earth, happy, safe, neat and clean, so that she will take very good care of us. Right? On this thought, I say bye bye to you all and have a happy Earth Day every day. Every day should be a happy Earth Day for us. Do observe Earth hour, that is at night from 8 to 9 or 8:30 to 9:30. You can keep your house on the minimum electricity burden. Switch off the extra lights, switch off the television, everything, and for 1 hour you just sit. Keep the fan on, it's very hot of course, but just sit and sit tight, introspect that what all we have done wrong, so that we have been just kept inside our houses, and for how long it goes nobody knows, right? So thank you very much, and you all are good beings, especially the children. Take care of this earth, right? Thank you very much. Happy Earth Day.